The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description.
Top 5 Best CNC Machine for Small Business. Number 5. RATTMMOTOR CNC 1610 Pro. The RATTMMOTOR CNC 1610 Pro is a compact and affordable CNC machine that is perfect for small businesses and hobbyists. Despite its smaller size, it offers impressive performance and versatility, making it a popular choice for those looking to get started with CNC machining. The 1610 Pro features a working area of 160 by 100 by 45 mm, which is smaller than other models on this list but still sufficient for a variety of small-scale projects. Its compact size makes it ideal for workshops with limited space. The machine is constructed from high-quality materials, including an aluminum frame and stainless steel components, ensuring durability and stability. One of the standout features of the RATTMMOTOR CNC 1610 Pro is its affordability. It's one of the most cost-effective CNC machines on the market, providing excellent value for money. Despite its low price, it doesn't compromise on performance. The machine is equipped with a powerful spindle motor capable of reaching speeds of up to 10,000 RPM, allowing it to cut through materials like wood, plastic, acrylic, and soft metals with ease. The 1610 Pro is also user-friendly, with a straightforward assembly process and detailed instructions provided. It supports Gerbil control software and is compatible with various file formats, making it easy to design and execute projects. The machine includes an offline controller, providing flexibility for users who prefer not to connect the machine to a computer. Safety features, such as emergency stop buttons and limit switches, ensure safe operation, making the 1610 Pro a reliable choice for small businesses. Its compact size, affordability, and robust performance make it an excellent option for those looking to invest in a CNC machine without a significant financial commitment. Coming in number 4, LUNYEE 3018 PRO MAX CNC Machine. The LUNYEE 3018 PRO MAX CNC Machine is a high-performance CNC router designed for small businesses that require precision and reliability. It's an upgraded version of the standard 3018 model, featuring several enhancements that improve its overall functionality and user experience. The 3018 Pro Max offers a working area of 300 by 180 by 45 mm, similar to other models in its class. However, it stands out with its robust construction and high-quality components. The machine's frame is made from durable aluminum alloy, providing excellent stability and reducing vibrations during operation. This results in more accurate and consistent cuts, essential for detailed projects. One of the notable features of the LUNYEE 3018 Pro Max is its powerful spindle, which can reach speeds of up to 10,000 RPM. This makes it capable of cutting through a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic, acrylic, and soft metals. The machine also includes upgraded stepper motors and a high-torque spindle motor, ensuring smooth and precise movements. The 3018 Pro Max is designed with user convenience in mind. It includes a detailed assembly guide and instructional videos, making it easy to set up even for those with limited technical knowledge. The machine is compatible with Gerbil control software and supports a variety of file formats, providing flexibility in project design and execution. Safety is also a priority with the LUNYEE 3018 Pro Max. The machine features emergency stop buttons and limit switches, ensuring safe operation. Its robust performance, user-friendly design, and affordable price make it an excellent choice for small businesses looking to invest in a reliable CNC machine. Coming in number 3, Genmitsu 3018 Prover V2 CNC Router Machine. The Genmitsu 3018 Prover V2 CNC Router Machine is an upgraded version of the popular 3018 PRO model, offering enhanced performance and additional features that make it a standout choice for small businesses. This machine is designed for users who need a reliable and precise CNC router for a variety of applications. The 3018 Prover V2 features a sturdy aluminum frame and improved mechanical components, resulting in increased stability and accuracy. The machine's working area remains at 300 by 180 by 45 mm, suitable for a wide range of projects. The V2 model includes an upgraded spindle and stepper motors, delivering smoother and more precise cuts. One of the key enhancements in the 3018 Prover V2 is its integrated offline controller. This feature allows users to operate the machine without needing to connect it to a computer, providing greater flexibility and convenience. The offline controller is equipped with an easy-to-read LCD screen and intuitive controls, making it simple to navigate and execute commands. The Genmitsu 3018 Prover V2 also includes pre-assembled main components, significantly reducing the assembly time. Detailed instructions and an online support community further assist users in getting started quickly. Its compatibility with various software, including Gerbil and Candle, ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. Overall, the 3018 Prover V2 is a reliable and efficient CNC router that offers excellent value for money. Its enhanced features and ease of use make it an ideal choice for small businesses looking to expand their manufacturing capabilities. Coming in number 2, FoxAlien Masuter PRO CNC Router Machine. The FoxAlien Masuter PRO CNC Router Machine is a powerful and versatile machine designed for both beginners and experienced users. It's particularly well suited for small businesses that require a machine capable of handling a variety of materials and complex projects. The Masuter Pro boasts a large working area of 400 by 400 by 60 mm, providing ample space for larger projects. Its sturdy frame is constructed from aluminum and high-strength plastic, ensuring durability and stability during operation. The machine is equipped with a powerful 300-watt spindle, allowing it to cut through materials like wood, plastic, acrylic, and even soft metals with ease. One of the standout features of the FoxAlien Masuter Pro is its user-friendly design. The machine comes with a comprehensive assembly guide and user manual, making it easy to set up and operate. Additionally, it supports both Gerbil and Mach 3 control software, giving users flexibility in choosing their preferred platform. The Masuter Pro also includes a range of safety features, such as emergency stop buttons and limit switches, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Its robust performance and ease of use make it a popular choice for small businesses looking to enhance their manufacturing capabilities. Coming in number 1, Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO Router Kit. The Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO Router Kit is a compact and affordable entry-level machine perfect for small businesses and hobbyists. It's known for its user-friendly design and reliable performance, making it a popular choice among beginners and professionals alike. The 3018 Pro is versatile, capable of engraving a wide range of materials including wood, plastic, acrylic, and soft metals like aluminum. One of the standout features of the Genmitsu 3018 PRO is its all-aluminum body, which enhances its durability and precision. The sturdy construction minimizes vibration, resulting in smoother and more accurate cuts. The machine is equipped with high-quality stepper motors and a Gerbil control system, ensuring precise and repeatable movements. The 3018 Pro offers a working area of 300 by 180 by 45 mm, which is ample for most small-scale projects. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades and modifications, enabling users to customize the machine to fit their specific needs. Assembly is straightforward, with detailed instructions provided, making it accessible even for those with limited technical expertise. Another key advantage of the Genmitsu 3018 PRO is its affordability. Priced competitively, it provides excellent value for money, especially considering its robust build and performance capabilities. This makes it an ideal choice for small businesses looking to invest in a reliable CNC machine without breaking the bank.